How to renew your Skillshare membership. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can renew your Skillshare membership. So if this is your question, make sure you watch this video till the end. The first step is to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see the different classes available on Skillshare. Then the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see some icons such as sessions, my classes, notifications, as well as your profile icon. Just click on that. Then in the drop down menu, ensure you select account settings. So by selecting account settings, you'll be brought to your account settings page. Then move to the sidebar, the left sidebar, and then scroll down and click on membership and payment. So by clicking on membership and payments, you will find details about your current membership plan on this page. And then the next step is for you to check the renewal date. So once you check your renewal date, automatically your membership should renew. Okay, and then if you've realized that you have your membership has expired and it did not renew automatically, the next thing you should do is to contact the customer support. But by checking here, you would see the details about the membership. You see when it's expire, you see details about it. But if it does not renew automatically, move to the top part of the screen again, the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and then scroll down and click on the help option so that you can be taken to the customer support. And then once the page loads, ensure that you scroll down and contact the customer support by clicking on contact us. Then you can contact them through two means. Okay, you can just click on how I can get in touch with Skillshare, scroll down, and the two major means is by sending an email to them via help@skillshare.com or by submitting a ticket. So follow any of these procedures, state your complaints that you would like to renew your membership, but it is not renew automatically. What can you do? They would resolve it from their end and it would be good to go. You can also make use of the press inquiries option. All right, you can also use send an email to press@skillshare.com for further information. So this is it. Okay, it is very simple. Thank you for watching and go ahead and renew that membership today. Have a nice day.